How to hide contacts on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can hide contacts on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on your Snapchat application. And once you do that, go over to your profile section and tap on that gear icon. Now you'll be appear with Snapchat settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on manage contacts. Now here you'll have two options. Simply disable the option share contacts with Snapchat. Once you do that, your contacts on Snapchat will be hidden and people from your contact won't be able to see you on Snapchat. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and easy. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.